Have you noticed your legs feel weaker even when you're doing simple things? It's not just aging, and that's what most people get completely wrong. You walk up the stairs and suddenly you need the railing. You stand up and it takes just a second longer. And you tell yourself, this is normal. But what's actually happening inside your body right now is very different. Here's the truth. Your legs aren't just getting weaker. They're being used less every single day. And that's where the real problem starts. Your muscles work like a battery. If you don't use them, they don't stay the same. They lose power, not in years, in weeks. Most people never notice this until it's already happening. Think of your legs like a parked car. If it sits too long, it doesn't stay fine. It slowly breaks down. Have you noticed this? You avoid stairs. You sit a little more. You move a little less. And you don't even realize it's happening. And here's the biggest mistake. Most people think resting more will help. But too much rest is exactly what makes your legs weaker. This is where everything changes. You don't need a gym. You don't need intense workouts. You just need to move a little more every day. Start with this. Stand up and sit down 10 times. Take short walks, even inside your house. Use stairs, even once a day. Stretch your legs, just 2 minutes in the morning. Because your body follows one simple rule: use it or lose it. And the good news is, your legs can get stronger again at any age. One small habit today decides how you walk 10 years from now. And most people don't realize that until it's too late.